Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of mushroom coffee. This unique blend combines traditional coffee with medicinal mushrooms, offering a variety of potential health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and science content. Mushroom coffee is a blend of regular coffee and medicinal mushrooms like reishi, chaga, lion's mane, and cordyceps. These mushrooms have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are known for their health-boosting properties. The coffee blend provides the energy-boosting effects of caffeine, along with the potential benefits of these mushrooms. Health benefits of mushroom coffee: enhanced focus and clarity. Lion's mane mushroom is known for its neuroprotective properties, which can help improve focus and cognitive function. Combining it with coffee can enhance mental clarity and concentration. Immune support. Reishi and chaga mushrooms are known for their immune-boosting properties. They contain antioxidants that help protect the body against harmful free radicals and support overall immune health. Increased energy and stamina. Cordyceps mushrooms are known for their ability to enhance energy levels and physical performance. When combined with the caffeine in coffee, they can provide a sustained energy boost without the usual caffeine crash. Reduce stress and anxiety. Reishi mushroom has adaptogenic properties, which can help the body manage stress and reduce anxiety. Drinking mushroom coffee can provide a calming effect while keeping you alert and focused. How mushroom coffee is made. Mushroom coffee is made by blending powdered mushrooms with ground coffee beans. The mushrooms are typically dried and then powdered to mix easily with the coffee. Some brands also use mushroom extracts to ensure a consistent blend. To prepare, simply brew it like regular coffee using your preferred method. Potential drawbacks of mushroom coffee: taste and flavor. Mushroom coffee has a unique taste that may not appeal to everyone. The earthy flavor of the mushrooms can be noticeable, but many people find it enjoyable, especially with added milk or sweeteners. Caffeine content. While mushroom coffee generally has less caffeine than regular coffee, it still contains caffeine, which may not be suitable for everyone. People sensitive to caffeine should monitor their intake and choose decaffeinated options if necessary. Allergies and interactions. Some people may be allergic to certain types of mushrooms. It's important to check the ingredients and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Additionally, medicinal mushrooms can interact with certain medications, so it's best to seek medical advice before adding mushroom coffee to your routine. How to choose the right mushroom coffee. Quality ingredients. Look for brands that use high-quality, organic mushrooms and coffee beans. Check for third-party testing and certifications to ensure purity and potency. Type of mushrooms. Different mushrooms offer different benefits. Choose a blend that aligns with your health goals, whether it's for cognitive enhancement, immune support, or stress reduction. Taste and preference. Try different brands and blends to find the one that suits your taste preferences. Some brands offer flavored options to enhance the taste. Summary: mushroom coffee combines the benefits of coffee with the health-boosting properties of medicinal mushrooms. It can enhance focus, support the immune system, increase energy, and reduce stress. As with any supplement, it's important to choose high-quality products and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Conclusion: if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and science content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.